to get for replacement.
The Voice of the People's Party has criticized the National People's Party for its majority in the 60-member Meghalaya Legislative Assembly, calling it a proxy majority. VPP President Adan Miller Basaimat contended that the NPP's position lacks legitimacy as it was not achieved through direct electoral results but rather through the defection of MLAs. The VPP has vowed to prevent any further defections and will pursue legal action if necessary.
Proud of, because this is not an election where people elected a party with a single largest. They got that number through proxy, and maybe those MLAs, they cannot withstand the pressure that the government is giving towards the members belonging to the opposition. So had they won on their own during the election, had they won by the verdict of the people, yes, I would have appreciated, I would have congratulated, but they've got this number through proxy. So there's nothing to share about.
Residents of Mau Ed